The next contestant or the code number is 4.
Good afternoon, judges and delegates. The introduction for my paper presentation is there. I want to state that India is ranking third for the internet users. Even the Japan and Brazil are lag behind. Even you will see in the states that 20 millions are Facebook users and 437 minutes are spending on the internet per day. But on mobile they are spending 1 hour and 43 minutes per day they are spending on internet. So I thought ki this internet usage may lead to the some problem. For that, a study to assess the effect of internet uses on behavior pattern among undergraduate students from Pune city. The objective of the study are to assess the level of internet uses among the undergraduate students, to assess the effect of internet uses on behavior pattern of undergraduate students, and to correlate the level of internet uses with the behavior pattern, and to associate the findings with the selected demographic variables. In that study, quantitative research approach was used and non-experimental survey design is followed. Then researchers had taken undergraduate students for the samples, for the populations, and the samples, the undergraduate students who scored below 20 in internet assessment test. That was used, that was taken by the purposive sampling. And setting was selected is College of Pune City, then sample size 300. That was collected by the non-probability purposive sampling. The inclusion criteria for the samples, all undergraduate students from Pune City and the undergraduate students who scored below 20 in assessment of internet usage scale by Dr. Kimberly Young. The exclusion criteria, the undergraduate students who scored below 20 in the assessment of internet usage scale by Dr. Kimberly Young. Then data collection tools, there is a 3 tools was constructed. Section first, demographic data. Then section 2, internet addiction test by Dr. Kimberly Young. It consists of 20 statements. The section 3, self-structure rating scale for the behavior pattern assessment. In behavior pattern, the researcher include sleep pattern, dietary patterns, academic performance, daily activities and isolations. Then analysis and interpretation of the data. When the researchers saw the demographic distributions, that 67% samples from the 16 to 20 years age groups. The remaining are 33% from 21 to 25 age group. The education-wise distributions of students, most of the students are from the professional courses. Then arts, commerce and science, the basic courses students also included for the samples. The arts spending on the internet. The most of the users are spending 1 to 3 hours on the internet. Then activities on internet. What they are doing on internet? Mostly they are searching the social networking site and personal knowledge. The level of internet uses. There is a average internet users are 78.67%, while 16% are showing moderate users and 4% are severe users. By the graphical presentation you can see the average users are more. The effect of internet usage on the behavior patterns. The 64.33% samples were averagely affected by the internet usage, and we can't deny it, there is no severe addiction. There is severe addiction also, it's a 4%. In graphical presentations you can see the averages are more, then severe and moderates are also existing. So what type of problems then they can be faced? That divided into the 5 setups: sleep, dietary patterns, academic performance, daily activities and isolations. The researchers analyzed it. There is a most of the samples are having the sleep problems. Moderately they are having the sleep problems. Then daily activities are also disturbed by the excess internet uses. Then correlation between the level of internet usage with the behavior patterns. That can be find the Carl-Person correlation is 0.57. That lead to the moderately positive correlation. It means they are using internet that lead to the behavior problems. That's the correlation diagrams that straight line show. Then association of the internet usage and behavior pattern with selected demographical variables. Only education streams was found to have the association with the demographical variables. It means the professional courses, they are using more internet than the other basic courses. In conclusions, we can study reveals that the internet usage, excess internet usage will lead to the sleep problems, dietary problems, academic performance, daily activities and isolation. Mostly the researchers are sleep problems and isolations are more severely affected. And dietary problems, when it may include they are not concentrating on the food tests or food test. When they are using mobiles. Then academic performance, there is significant drop in the grades, missing classes, increased risk of being placed on academic provisions. And same daily activities, they are not going for extracurricular activities that lead to the basic developmental problems in the undergraduate students. Then isolation, they are so totally socially isolated from the family. They are considering the online friends, they are a real life than the real life friends. They are thinking they are more useful for them. Thank you.